Hi, today in front of me HONOR X7A and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store application and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So now we should open the app, so click open button, tap enable in settings, near green Apple keyboard, tap on the switcher, click twice to OK and go back. Then tap to switch input methods and switch your keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished, so let's just check our new keyboard. So as you can see, our keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.